Hey guys, I know I've been quiet with everything, but yeah, it's just really difficult to get anything recorded because six parrots just tend to go ape shit anytime local birds start their own chatter and whatnot, and the reverb coming through the room is absolutely migraine inducing, and yeah, but I'm just taking things slow, trying to keep stress levels down. But I have made some progress on the Freddy glove. So, yeah. I just need to trim these down to get better movement and finish the paint job and put it back together, and it's all good. So, cheers.